it's Misty here. It's the final day, and today we have Jamal, who are so special. So he's our little painter. So he has some paint splatters on his face on the front of the new packaging, but he doesn't on his actual face. So you can add them if you want. He comes with 2 paint buckets, and then he has his roller on his stick. And then of course, here is his coordinating die. So let's go back over everything. We have the nuts and bolts stencil. We have the great job builder, word die. We have the tool belt builder die. We have Carl, who's gonna go with the flow. We have Alec, that's thanks a watt. And then Jamal, who are so special. So such a fun release for the month of April. Absolutely love it. Don't forget, if you want to get all or parts of this, you can check out Stamp Club, link down below. Don't forget to join us over on the Facebook group so you can share your inspiration with us. It's a great, fun group for all of us fannies. There's live videos, instruction, all sorts of things over on our Facebook group. And you can find all of our social media linked down below. And a link to this release because it is now live. So happy shopping. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We will see you in the next video. Bye for now.